Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. Here are a few highlights for our upcoming meeting on Tuesday, June 23rd. Our board will move the approval of the fiscal year 2017 to 18 priorities for the Consolidated Community Funding Pool, which funds critical human services and housing needs in Fairfax County. For this 2-year period, priorities for the funding pool are prevention, crisis intervention, self-sufficiency, and long-term supportive services. These priorities were developed through an extensive data analysis and community outreach process, including an in-depth look at the trends and the emerging needs in the county. Service providers should be on the lookout for the request for proposals coming in October. For more information, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/ccfp. Action items include several project funding agreements with the Northern Virginia Transportation Authority. On April 23, 2015, the Authority approved its fiscal year 2015-2016 program, which included approximately $345 million for 37 projects across Northern Virginia. These are some of the projects funded with Fairfax County's share of new regional transportation funding. The first is $5 million to begin the preliminary engineering and environmental study of the widening of Route 28. This project will include the addition of one lane in each direction, reducing congestion on a road that carries 60,000 vehicles every day. The total cost to complete the project is estimated to be $47 million. Another is for $20 million to expand capacity for the West Ox Bus Garage to include 9 maintenance bays and enhance security for our connector buses. And the last is $6 million for the purchase of new Fairfax connector buses. We will consider a vote to allow the Fairfax County Economic Development Authority to accept a Governor's Opportunity Fund grant to help Bechtel Corporation relocate to Fairfax County. We will consider approving new commuter parking spaces at Springfield Town Center. In the afternoon, a decision only is scheduled at 3 p.m. regarding changes to the county's noise ordinance. Instead of taking action, I'm expecting that this item will be referred to a future board committee meeting for further discussion and consideration of the advertised changes. To view the whole agenda, visit fairfaxcounty.gov and click on Board of Supervisors. An informed and engaged community is a well-served community. Thanks so much for watching and for your interest in Fairfax County government.